Respected parents and my dear students, I am very happy to meet you and talk to you once again. As you are aware, we have recently completed the parents-teachers meeting after the first semester examinations. The teachers have given you the progress report, and I am sure you are also happy to receive the participation certificates, and few of you who won the competitions of Diya decorations and speech competitions on Diwali that we conducted during Diwali season. Now, my dear parents and children, I am glad to inform you that we are starting a new program online, Personality and Communication Skill Development online. In the beginning, as part of this program, we shall be sending you video clips of sample speeches specimen by our teachers, along with instructions and guidelines how to make an effective speech or make a creative presentation or communicate effectively on a particular topic. Therefore, when you receive the video clips of specimen speech, please listen to it carefully and understand it, learn the content of it. You are free to add, delete and modify the content of the speech that we send you. With the help of the guidelines, dear parents, enable your children to make their own speeches for a duration of 2 minutes to 3 minutes maximum, and video shoot it. Please send it back to the teacher. We shall surely award these children with the participation certificate as well as the prizes for those who win. First, second, third prizes also be given. It will be an ongoing program. Every month one speech will be there, besides other guidelines given by the teachers for personality grouping and personal presentation before the people. Now, other than that, I would like to inform you that we are preparing now for the second periodic assessment that is scheduled to begin on 29th of December. Before that, from 23rd of December to 27th of December, it will be Christmas vacation. And on 28th, there will be a live session by each teacher. Thereby, you can clarify any doubt, problems or difficulties in case if there is any in the syllabus or guidelines already given to you. And the teacher shall be sending the revision videos of the portion that are included in the syllabus of second periodic assessment, and will be sent to you from 19th till 22nd. These revision videos you can watch again and again during even the holidays and prepare yourself well for the examination. As in the past, we shall be sending the question papers every day in the morning at 8 o'clock, and you are requested to help, guide and enable the children to complete answering before 8 p.m. in the evening and return them to the teachers online. For the class 1 and 2, children are permitted to write the answers in the question paper itself. Others need to write the answers in the answer sheet. Now, during these Christmas days, you are aware that you are preparing for elocution competition and Christmas tree decoration. As you prepare it, you can have the video shot of the same and send us. The Christmas tree preparation photos can be sent to the teachers, and the better ones will be chosen for the prizes, and we shall ask you to come physically and personally to submit that. Wishing you all the best for the preparation of the second periodic assessment. I wish you well in advance. Happy Christmas too. Surely I'll come back to you before Christmas with the Christmas greetings. Thank you and God bless you.